Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can resize your Canva design to a different dimension or different aspect ratio. I have this document which has 16:9 aspect ratio. Essentially, this is a horizontal or landscape document. As you can see here, the background image is actually much bigger. It's much more akin to a square. And you'll see there are some areas that are missing and not visible simply because the document is just using a dimension that is not appropriate for the background. And I think it's better to maximize the use of the canvas. So in order to change the paper or change the canvas of your Canva design, go to the Resize menu, and then here you will see some presets that you could select instantly, or you can also select a custom size if you want to. But I think I'm gonna be using the Instagram post, which is exactly square. It is 1080 by 1080 pixel. I'm going to select that and click continue. So you will see a preview about what's going to happen to your design when it's changing the aspect ratio. There are two options. You could select either copy and resize, which will create a brand new document, just like this one, but a different dimension, while this option will essentially replace the exact document that you have. Personally, I do recommend to select this option, which is copy and resize, because sometimes if you have a design with so many objects, so many elements, if you are changing the dimension, usually there are something that you have to manually readjust from ground up. So it's one consideration. But since my design is quite simple and there is only literally one element, I'm going to select resize and see what happens. Okay, just wait, and there you have it. Now I have this much bigger area, much bigger background that I could resize back to square. Okay, now I think it looks even better. So that's basically how you can resize your Canva design in the platform. I hope you find this video helpful.